The software experience is very good. Everything is only a couple of swipes away. I never feel like I'm using the watch too long for accomplish something. From the watch face, each direction takes you somewhere different. Quick settings, widgets, apps, and notifications. The biggest problem with Samsung watches before the company switched to Wear OS was lack of apps. That's no longer an issue. You can now download apps and watch Face directly from Google Play Store. Bixby and some other Samsung apps are still present, but it's easy to ignore the ones you don't like. Google Assistant can be set as default assistant app and be mapped to long pressing the home button. Samsung Play is locked to long pressing the back button, but you can select Google Wallet by double pressing the home button. Wear OS with one UI is essentially exactly what it sounds like. It's Google, it's Samsung, and they mostly work well together. One of the biggest areas of focus for smartwatches is fitness, and Samsung has a lot to offer. The combination of hardware and software makes the Watch 5 a worthy workout companion. Samsung Health app is much more comprehensive than Google Fit. You can track a huge variety of workouts and activities, record your sleep, measure your heart rate, ECG, steps, blood oxygen, and body composition. In 2021, Samsung finally released a smartwatch with Google's Wear OS. The company is back with a sequel, the Galaxy Watch 5. There was a lot of excitement about last year's watch. Now Samsung looks to refine the experience. There are two different models this year, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. This review is for the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5. The Pro model has a larger battery and a more durable design, but the features are mostly the same. In terms of hardware, the standard Galaxy Watch 5 is made from aluminum, the Pro model is titanium. The bigger story, though, is the new Sapphire display. Sapphire is significantly stronger than the previously used Gorilla Glass displays. Theoretically, the Sapphire display should stay scratch-free forever, though it can still get cracked. Sticking with durability, the Watch 5 has an IP68 water and dust resistant rating and is MIL STD 81OH compliant. The water resistance goes up to 50 meter, making it a perfect swimming companion. This is a watch that can handle you day to day.